Many people say that the reason behind the forward motion of time in our universe is because the increasing entropy of our universe. But now let's say we have some other universe where time is moving backwards. So is entropy decreasing there? The answer is no. Entropy is still increasing there. Let me tell you why. Because when we talk about, let's say we have let's say take an example of a system which has a decreasing entropy. For example, let's say we have white holes, and on the other side we have black holes. Now the reason behind we don't have white holes in our universe is because it violates the second law of thermodynamics, which says that the entropy of our universe always increases. Now, but why actually white holes, violate the second law of thermodynamics? Because when we talk about entropy, entropy is basically the ability of a system to create the information in various ways, and by an action underlining with known law of physics. So in various ways, as the system creates the information or by any action, that action should be backed with the known law of physics. And if it's backed with the known law of physics, then only we consider it as the increase in entropy. But when we talk about, let's say for example, black hole, it sucks everything inside it, so it attracts everything inside, a huge amount of matter. And so it as it does it, it creates a lot of information, and as it creates so much information backed with the force known law of physics, which is the physics of gravity, the black hole is the highest entropy contributor of our universe. But when we talk about the white holes, they are just opposite of the black holes. But as they do perform their action, there is no known law of physics describing their behavior, right? So there's no thing like opposite gravitational force, which we know, like as white holes are working, like, they tend to push everything outside. So there's, even if it happens, even if white holes exist, they are just they just don't back themselves their action with some known law of physics, and that's why technically speaking they are decreasing the entropy of universe, and that's the reason why we don't see white holes in our universe. Now in a universe, as I say, where time runs backwards, we have different law of physics in that universe as well. So the systems which seems to be decreasing the entropy of a universe might be working there well, might be working there very well, just because the laws of physics there in that universe is actually supporting that action. And as that supporting that action in that universe there, it's increasing the entropy in that universe, that particular universe. So existence of white holes is a possible thing in a universe where time runs backwards, just because the law of physics are set there in that way. So once the laws of physics are set there in that way, we have that system where we think that system to be decreasing entropy of universe is increasing the entropy in that universe. So even if we have a universe where time runs backwards, entropy is still increasing there.